Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to talk about how to change button layout in Oppo K10 phone. Guys, you can see guys your button layout guys, you want to change guys. My back button is here guys, you want to set here. So guys, you can set in this video guys. I will show you how to change this button layout setting. So let's see how to change button layout setting. First of all, open your phone setting. Then guys, click on system setting. Then guys, click on system navigation first. So as you can see button layout guys, you can change from here guys. Click on this one. So as you can see guys, button layout has changed. My back button is here guys, so I can back from here now. So I hope friends you have understood how to change button layout in Oppo K10 phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video. Now we will go to next video with new topic. Before guys, please go and like and subscribe my channel. Bye.